Smarty, so it's time to be double, triple, quadruple happy. Why? Because COMEDK 2025 schedule is finally out, and I'm going to talk about the timeline that they have shared and also a bit about each of these things because it might be very new for you guys. So I'll try to make you understand a bit about them. And if you want all the updates, what do you have to do? You have to click on the subscribe button. So first of all, my dear children, on 18th of July, the windows would be opening for what? For filling in the choices. Now you're filling in the choices for a round which is known as mock round. Okay, mock round as in it's a trial round. So making you understand that how does choice filling process work in. So you have to fill in the choices that you actually want, my dear children. Properly you're going to fill with the name of the college, with the course and everything that is out there, but you can only do it within 2 days. So from 18th of July to 20th of July, this window would be open where you have to do the choice filling. Now this is very much important because this will give you an understanding of what college you may get with the list of courses and the colleges that you have put in. How? Because the next thing that would be coming in is the result of the mock round allotment or the mock round allotment. So it would be out by 22nd of July. So you will get to understand that, oh, I got this particular college with the list that I have made. Please understand one very important thing. It is not necessary that you will get the same college during round 1 or the further rounds. Okay, this is just a trial run. This is just to make you understand that, okay, probably I should have added this college as well. In that case, probably I might have got that college. Okay, it's for an understanding so that you can bring out changes when the actual round begins. And that is the next thing. So next thing that you have after mock round is the round 1. In this, based on the results that you got over here, you will have an understanding and you will be allowed to bring out certain changes. You can add colleges, you can remove the colleges, you can add courses, remove the courses, rearrange the courses, everything. Whatever you want to do, you can do it. Please take it seriously. Time period for this is 22nd of July 4 p.m. to 24th of July 4 p.m. That means again roughly just 2 days. Okay, after that, on the basis of what you have filled in, my dear children, you would be having the allotment result, round 1 allotment result. Now, you would be getting 4 options. That is, ma'am, I got a college, I'm really happy, I'm going with accept and freeze. Okay, ma'am, I got a college, but I want to look what better college I can get in the next round. So I'll go with accept and upgrade, where you're accepting this seat, but you want to look for an upgrade. Then you will say that, ma'am, I do not like this college, I want to go for an upgrade, that's all. So you'll reject the seat and you will go for an upgrade. Then there is an option to reject and withdraw. That means you do not want to edit, do not want to get into the whole process of counseling, you just want to move out. That means you're withdrawing your seat, that is reject and withdraw. Now please remember, in 3 of these cases, you would still have to pay the fee of whatever college you are allotted. In this case, so it's totally fine, accept and freeze, that means you're happy. But here you're going for an upgrade, still you would have to pay the fee for the college that you have got. Reject and upgrade, again that is so confusing, but still you would have to pay the amount for whatever college you are rejecting. Okay? Because since you're going for an upgrade, you still have to pay the fee. So when should this be done? So this should be done from 20th July to 1st August. In between that, you have to take a decision and then you would have to pay the fee as well. Now, my dear children, please understand, the children who have went with this option, that is accept and freeze, okay, those children were happy with the college that they got, so they would have to report to the college as well. This should be done from 28th July to 1st August. In between that period, you would have to report to the college. Now, by chance you are not reporting to the college, as per the schedule that has been shared, my dear children, you might lose your seat. That is being mentioned over here. Only candidates with exit and freeze should report to college strictly as per the dates and time mentioned in the schedule, else they might lose the allotted seat. Please understand that. Okay, others do not have to go. Now suppose you are someone who took the decision over here, okay, and that is for accept and freeze or accept and upgrade, my dear children, but then you do not want the seat, okay. You report to the college as well, but now you feel that you do not want the seat, you want to cancel the seat. So there is a seat cancellation period from 28th July to 4th August. During this period, you can cancel your seats as well. In that case, you will be refunded the money that you have paid. Okay. The money will be refunded. The convenience fee would not be refunded. Please remember that. Now, candidates should check with allotted college the timings for reporting to the college on Saturday and public holidays. So, whenever someone is going to the college for reporting, please take your allotment sheet and the fee payment receipt, and you should be only going after confirming it with the college authorities, because it might not be open on Saturdays as well as public holidays. Always remember, first mock round is just a trial round and candidates will not be able to make any decision on the allotment. So whatever college you are getting, not necessary that you might get that same college. Candidate with blank choice filling forms after round 1 choice filling will not be considered for further process. First you did choice filling, you got the mock allotment result, then you did choice filling, right? Suppose you have not filled in the choices over here, again you would not be allowed to go to the further rounds as mentioned over here. Candidates should check with allotted college the timings for reporting. I already told that. So that's all. That's the brief about things. Now whenever you have a round, we will be making certain videos on that so that it will be helpful for you. But again, as I told, if you want all the updates, what do you have to do? You have to click on the subscribe button, and please do not forget to click on the like button. And also, if you have any doubts around this particular thing, put it down in the comment section. We are here to help. Lots of love, wishing you the best.